Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another daevblade YouTube video. Today I've got two more Beyblade X products to open up and test, show you guys. So I've got the hasbro exclusives here, talon ptera, 380B, 380 ball, and then steel samurai 480T, T for taper. Here's the back of the box, tells you what it is. So I think this one here, this is a stamina type bay, talon ptera, and then this one here is a balance type bay. So you can see here, the taper, ball, 4 points of contact for the ratchet at 80 height, 3 points of contact at 80 height. It's going to be a very interesting battle. Yeah, let's crack it open. Alright, so I'm just gonna let it rip. Nope, still no successful rip there. Alright. Alright. There you go. Alright. This is one that I was waiting for the most, Steel Samurai. Rip. Yep. This is probably the one that I was most excited for when I saw the English release. Do have a thing for ninjas and samurais. Alright, so there you go, Steel Samurai. Oh, what the hell is that? Some black stuff on the... Looks like just some dirt or something. Anyways. Alright, Steel Samurai. And there you go. These are the two hasbro exclusives. You will not see these, or you haven't seen these yet, in the Takeratomi ones. Alright, as per my last video, just going to do some quick testing. Going to be using the launcher that came with the Extreme Battle Set. Let's start with talon ptera, see how it launches. 3, 2, 1, go! So it looks like this one likes to move around the stadium a bit. Okay, and then I'm just going to launch the Steel Samurai into the stadium, and let's just see what happens. Okay, so that's the movement panel of the Steel Samurai after quite a bit of contact. You see, it's kind of doing like a flower pattern thing. Yeah, let's try dual launching it into the Hasbro Stadium and see how they go against each other. Oh. Okay, 3, 2, 1, shoot. Oh. So I think that went in via recoil, so good stuff. I'm just going to change the positions of the bays now. So I have talon ptera on the main launcher there. Don't know if it really makes a difference, but it's good to see what happens. Alright, ready, go! Oh, again, looks like Steel Samurai just KO'd itself, or it's based on the recoil here from this guy. Alright, just gonna try the TT Stadium now. Give me a second. So the results may be different because the TT Stadium is a bit wider on the outside. So talon on the main launcher. And shoot. Well, once again, knocked into the over finish. Steel Samurai. Steel Samurai in the main one. Oh. Jesus Christ. Okay. Ready and shoot. Alright, looks like a spin finish with our Victor ptera talon. Let's go for one more round. Because it seems like Steel Samurai really sucks. Okay, ready and shoot. Alright, so it looks like the verdict is Steel Samurai sucks. Alright, thank you very much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe.